Good evening. Today we'll discuss about 13.2.7 packet trace activity. Configure a basic wireless LAN on wireless LAN controller. Okay. This is the packet tracer file. This is the H1 PDF file. Open the PDF. I already opened the packet tracer. Even this one. Okay. This is the PDF file. Okay. So wireless LAN controller means the device which is controlling and monitoring all the access points. Okay. Access point yani the device which wirelessly connect the clients. Okay, so the one wireless LAN controller will manage or control or monitor the access points. Okay, then first thing we have part 1, part 2 and part 3. Okay, so part 1 we have to monitor the WLC and so the wireless LAN controller is already configured, so we have to monitor the configurations. Okay, then create a wireless LAN. Then we have connect a wireless host to the wireless LAN. These three parts. Okay, easy only, but little bit should be careful. Okay, compared to the normal wireless router, this should be little bit careful. Okay, configuring time. Okay, so I'll configure. You have to be very careful. Okay, now start with the topology. There is a server, there is admin PC, there is a wireless LAN controller, there is a wireless host, there is a lightweight access point. Okay, because this will be controlled by the wireless LAN controller. That's why it is lightweight access point. Okay, in layer 3 switch, then router. Okay, so start with the question. What is the question? Okay, so go to the admin PC desktop, open the browser, management IP of WLC1, and put the address and mention HTTPS. Okay, so here wireless LAN controller manual address is 192.168.200.254. I'm lazy, so I'll copy. Okay, go to desktop, admin PC, desktop, browser. So while you copy paste, no, you have to, when you click this, it will not come. So you have to make this HTTPS, then click go, then fast forward. Okay, now you will get the login screen. If you are putting HTTP protocol only and IP address, you will not get it. So that's why make it HTTPS. Then you'll go for login and the username password already given in the question paper. Admin Cisco 123 C caps, CISCO 123 in that C caps. Okay, so you want to see the username password, go to the question because I already know the question, that's why I'm trying this. Okay, without checking that screen. See here, username is admin, passwords is Cisco 123 C caps for the WLC monitor or WLC wireless LAN control. Okay, now what they're telling, uh, WLC monitor summary screen. What can be learned from the screen is a WLC connected to access point. Okay, so go to the screen. This is wireless LAN controller monitor screen. What are the things you have understood from the summary? Okay, summary management IP address given there. Okay, that's why if you want to access this router wireless LAN controller, you should give this management IP address. Okay, this IPv4, IPv6 means this one. Okay, software version, the image version, the system name, uptime. Just I opened just 9 minutes ago. That's why. Okay, system time. Okay, it's not updated. I think it's still 2009. You can update later. Then temperature. Then it is wireless router enabled. Okay, then CPU say 0% like that. Okay, active raw. No clients being connected to this wireless LAN controller. That's why it is all 000. Okay, so student. Okay, if you ask, I'll reply later. Okay, okay, I will reply later. Okay, so after that profile name is not set. Now access point summary. So access point 1. Okay, so here go to detail. So is the wireless LAN connected to WLC connected to access point? Yes. Okay, then details of all access point and in access point summary, details next to access point entry. So the detail is, just now we saw that, right? Here the details of access point. Okay, the IP address, the model. Okay, that's there. Now create a wireless LAN. Create enable wireless LAN. Okay, how do we create? I'll open the access point here. WLANs. Okay, go here. Wireless LANs and WLANs. There is no wireless LAN created, so there is a create new button, go button module, click go button. Okay. So what about the profile name, SSID and ID? Profile name given as floor 2 employees, SSID, SSID hyphen 5 and the ID number 5. Okay, so I'll floor 2 employees. Okay, put the same name because no, you want to get the 100% mark, right? If you're asked, you want to get 100% means type the same name. Okay, given in the question paper. Floor 2 employees. Okay, SSID is SSID hyphen 5. ID number 5. See here the same name, profile name, floor, space 2, space employees, SSID hyphen 5 and the ID number 5. Okay. Click apply to check the settings. So when I click apply, just wait for a few seconds to get the apply button works. Okay. Now the status should be enabled. Okay. After that, the interface name, you should choose the interface name WLAN hyphen 5. So here when I go down interfaces, by default it was management, now I have to change it to WLAN 5. After that apply, every step you do you have to make it apply. See, I think I forgot this one. Now apply. Okay, click the enable because then only the SSID that wireless network will be enabled, then the interface also now chosen. Now we go for what's next, advanced tab, Flex Connect local switching, Flex Connect local authentication. What is Mr. Flex Connect? So actually, Flex Connect means by using this option, the access points will be becoming autonomous. So no need for them to get the every time get the help from wireless and controller. So here authentication, switching, everything will be done locally. Say if that wireless LAN control is not accessible, the access point can do the authentication of clients for themselves. No need to depend upon this wireless LAN control. That's why make the Flex Connect option enabled. Okay, how do we perform that one? Go to advanced here. Okay, go down. See, Flex Connect local enable, then authentication enable. After that, apply. Okay, done. What is the percentage of completion? 22. Yes. Secure WLAN. So here the wireless LAN was not given any authentication technique or any password. We need to make it secure. No, because the client should authenticate themselves without authentication. If you're allowing some of the clients to enter the network means no, there may be hackers also getting inside the network. That's why we have to make the authentication password for your wireless LAN controller or your access point. Otherwise, I told you some people will get into our network. Okay, you know who's that. Okay, I don't want to mention the name. Okay, so here go to security. The layer 2 security is you have to choose WPA plus PA2. Then go down WPA2 policy. Sorry, WPA2 policy. Then we have pre-shared key enable. Okay, in the previous course, yani like 3 years back or 4 years back, I think almost 5 years back, we have a course like a scaling. Okay, I used to teach the scaling course. In that course, we had two types of authentication: 802.1x and PSK. But this time we have only pre-shared key. Okay, so what is the pre-shared key? See here, what was the key? See, I go for security layer 2, WPA plus PA2, layer 2 security, then the policy you have to choose, then authentication key and management have to choose PSK, pre-shared key. Then the password is Cisco 123. So I'll go here, make the password as capital C, right? Capital C, Cisco 123. After that, apply. Okay, apply. Now I think it will be almost 80%. 55. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Now verify the settings. Go back to screen and check the WLAN. What changes happened? Okay, so here after that applying click button. Sorry, clicking apply button. Go back. You could see the changes happened in the wireless network. Now the SSID is given already there. Now the security authentication WPA2 authentication PSK, that's also done. Okay. After that, what I do, I want to So if you click the WLAN ID, you will take on to WLAN screen, verify chain details. Okay, so if you want, you can go and click that. Okay, WLAN ID. If you want to change anything, you can go back and change. Maybe you forget to change the password, or you forget, you may be making a mistake in the password. Then in that case, you can go back and change. Okay, here if you maybe you forget to put the file, whatever. Okay, the interface you forget to choose like that. Then go for security. Mr. I forget to give that authentication. Go back. Then PSK you can do. You want to change your passwords? Class you can do. Okay. Now go back. After that. I want a third part. I want to connect the host to the LAN. Okay, WLAN. Okay. So connect to network wireless connectivity. So what is the host? Wireless host. Okay. The SSID 5 password is Cisco 123 C capital. Okay. So go back to wireless host. There's only wireless host available. Okay. Go to desktop PC wireless connect. The wireless SSID 5 will come here automatically. Choose this connect. Then password, WPA2 personal. Okay, then password capital C remaining ISCO 123 small letter connect. Now connected. Now let's see that I think it should be 100%. Yes, class 100%. Okay, but still you have to see anything is still remaining to be configured. Okay, so nothing configured, just checking. Okay, link information, more information. Okay, now see here, go to the client link information. So I'm successfully connected to access point. Okay, then more information, you could see the IP address given for you 192.168.5.3, network type mask gateway, DNS is not, the MAC address is there, then security authentication WPA to personal, SSID name, the radio band frequency, everything is done here. Okay, so that's all. So close the PC wireless app and open the IP configuration. So you have to check the IP address. Okay, already we have checked the IP, but still you have to check means go here, go to IP configuration 192.168.5.3. From wireless host, you can ping the wireless LAN default gateway and server to verify laptop has full connectivity. Okay, so what about the server IP 172.631.1.254? Just copy. Go to the wireless client, go here, command prompt PINT. I'll just put that last number is, I think, what is last number? 254 4. Ping is not part of your which one? The 100% you will get even though if you don't ping also, but still we are testing the connectivity. Okay, like that. What about the gateway of what they told? WLAN default gateway, wireless LAN default gateway. That also I think it is 254 management. Okay, so this one I think 200.1. Let me try this. Okay, let me try this. I think that's a gateway. So PING. Don't, okay, sorry, 200.1. Don't have time to go inside the WLC. Okay, so that also pinging. That's all about this activity 13.2.7. Configure wireless network or basic wireless LAN on WLC. Okay. Hope you understood. So see you on next video.